The assembly of a NEMA starter is made easy using an E300 electronic overload relay. The two pieces needed for a NEMA starter are a NEMA contactor and an overload relay, such as the E300 electronic overload relay. To create a NEMA-based motor starter, place the E300 onto the mounting plate of the contactor. Next, fasten the E300 electronic overload relay to the mounting plate of the NEMA contactor. This is done using a standard screwdriver. Next, tighten the screws on the load side of the contactor. Next, add control wiring between the overload relay and the contactor terminals. The E300 conveniently places control relays on the line side of the overload relay. This minimizes the amount of wiring needed to control the contactor coils. After the control wiring has been completed, apply control power to the terminals of the E300. And now you have a fully functional NEMA-based motor starter.